transporter capable of turning on its axis and moving sideways. Fortunately, the boys from Fagioli have a rather cunning trick up their sleeve. It's called the Self-Propelled Modular Transporter, or SPMT. This amazing remote-controlled platform can move in any direction and climb minor obstacles. What's more, any number of SPMTs can be linked together, enabling them to carry loads weighing over 15,000 tons. To drive them, the platforms have a minimum of 16 wheels each, powered by a separate power pack unit, which supplies power to hydraulic drive motors mounted on the axles. This gives the SPMT a typical operating speed of 5 kilometers an hour. But whilst it isn't fast, it's certainly highly manoeuvrable. The pairs of wheels can turn through 130 degrees in each direction, allowing it to be positioned with millimetre-perfect accuracy. And to ensure it stays perfectly level, it has a self-levelling hydraulic suspension system. As one wheel rises over an obstacle, the others compensate to keep the platform on an even keel. The challenge for the boys at Fagioli now is to remove the huge turbine from the delivery lorry and lower it onto the SPMT. No small task when you remember it weighs 570 tons. First, the turbine is slowly positioned underneath a huge overhead gantry, which will support its weight whilst the brace is removed. Next, two custom-made steel cradles are placed under the turbine and are attached to the gantry using chains. With the turbine's weight close to 600 tons, the team have had to link together 6 individual SPMTs to support it. This new 96-wheeled vehicle needs to be positioned with pinpoint accuracy. Too much weight on one side and it could tip up and shed its precious load. So a series of plumb lines are used to ensure it's precisely positioned. Once the team are happy, they begin to slowly lower the turbine. After a few nervous moments, the SPMT has finally taken the full weight. With its colossal cargo on board, the remote-controlled platform slowly crawls towards the harbour. The team must now tackle the most difficult and dangerous part of the entire operation, loading the turbine onto a 150-metre-long barge. But with the turbine weighing nearly 600 tons and the SPMT a further 110, the team know that they're working right at the limits of what the barge can take. If they've got their calculations even fractionally wrong, there could be a disaster. Slowly but surely, the SPMT starts rolling forward. As the barge starts to take the weight, water is pumped out of its ballast tanks to stop it sinking down. One by one, the wheels roll on board, but the team won't be able to relax until it has taken the full weight of its giant cargo. After 30 nerve-wracking minutes, the turbine is on board and the team can breathe a sigh of relief. For now, at least.